Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best rainbow slime is probably one of the most exciting and engaging toys available for children today, offering a vibrant and tactile sensory experience that sparks creativity and provides hours of imaginative fun. This colorful, stretchy compound isn't just about play, it's a fantastic tool for developing fine motor skills, encouraging scientific exploration through its unique texture and properties, and providing a calming, stress-relieving activity for kids of all ages. Get ready to dive into a world of dazzling colors and endless possibilities as we explore what makes this slime a must-have for your little one's toy collection, promising a delightful and mess-friendly adventure that will keep them entertained and inspired. Number 5. Rainbow Cloud Slime. Experience the incredibly drizzly texture of our cloud slime. It's super soft, feathery, and feels just like soft-serve ice cream melting in your hands. Crafted with high-quality ingredients, this slime is safe for everyone to enjoy. Adult supervision is advised for younger children, and please remember not to consume it. Looking to de-stress or enhance sensory play? This slime is perfect for you. Its easy-to-use nature allows you to dive into its squishy, stretchy goodness right away. This rainbow cloud slime makes an excellent gift for kids aged 6 to 12. It's perfect for parties, holidays, or as a fun surprise. Keep your slime fresh and ready for more fun with the included plastic jar. Just place it back inside and seal tightly when playtime is over. What we like? If you love a super drizzly and soft texture, this cloud slime is for you. It's airy and feels like soft-serve ice cream. If you're looking for a unique sensory experience and enjoy practicing the perfect drizzle, this is a great choice for parties and gifts. What people say? The slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to hands. It comes with glitter and beads for extra fun. The colors are vibrant and don't bleed into each other. Number 4. GRU Rainbow Slime with Container, 1 pack. Introducing our amazing rainbow slime, a pack filled with vibrant colors and exciting textures. It's the perfect sensory toy for endless fun and creativity. Each pack features 3 different dazzling colors, creating a beautiful rainbow effect. This thick and glossy slime is designed for maximum tactile enjoyment. Crafted from safe, non-toxic materials, this slime is gentle on hands and leaves no sticky residue. It's a worry-free play experience for toddlers aged 3 and up. More than just a toy, it's a fantastic stress relief tool for all ages. Engage your senses, promote relaxation, and enhance focus with this calming putty. Ideal for sensory bins, party favors, or as a unique gift, it provides hours of engaging fun. It's a great addition to goodie bags, stocking stuffers, and more. Proudly a USA brand, we ensure safe and high-quality toys for your children. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with our trusted products. What we like? If you want a classic, thick, and glossy slime with vibrant neon colors, this option is fantastic. It comes with a bonus bouncy ball and is perfect for stress relief and sensory play. If you're looking for party favors or classroom prizes, this is a great value. What people say? It is a great slime for kids, it is not sticky and it is easy to clean up. The slime is very stretchy and has a nice texture. This slime is perfect for sensory play and comes in a variety of fun colors. Number 3. Original Stationery Unicorn Glow-in-the-Dark Slime Kit. Embark on a creative journey with this magical slime kit, designed for girls aged 7 and up. It includes over 25 exciting add-ins, like glow-in-the-dark glue, for endless DIY possibilities. Engage your child's senses with this fun slime, perfect for enhancing focus and motor skills. They'll enjoy hands-on learning and imaginative play, fostering creativity in a delightful way. Illuminate any gathering with this amazing glow-in-the-dark slime, ideal for parties and creative projects. This captivating feature sparks the imagination of young creators. Elevate playdates or birthday celebrations with this versatile kit, encouraging teamwork in crafting unique slimes. It's an ideal choice for those seeking memorable and creative experiences. Delight young creators with this unicorn slime kit, a perfect gift for birthdays or special occasions. It offers an engaging experience, sparking joy and imagination in every young crafter. What we like? If you're looking for a creative and interactive slime experience, this DIY kit is ideal. It offers over 25 mix-ins, including glow-in-the-dark glue, for endless customization. If you want to encourage creativity, motor skills, and collaborative play, this is perfect for birthday gifts and parties. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out quickly, making it great for extended play sessions. The colors are vibrant and don't bleed into each other, which is fantastic for creating layered effects or just enjoying the distinct hues. It comes with various add-ins like glitter and foam balls that enhance the texture and sensory experience. Number 2. Galaxy Slime Party Favors for Kids. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience with our Galaxy Slime Party Pack. This set includes 15 containers of pre-made slime in vibrant, marbled colors. It's soft, gooey, and perfect for pulling, squeezing, and stretching. You can fidget with it for hours of amazing fun. Kids aged 3 and up will love the beautiful metallic and marbled colors. They're as mesmerizing as the cosmos. This slime is ready to play right out of the container, with no annoying mess. It's perfect for goodie bags, rewards, and more. Made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, it's safe for kids and adults. Enjoy worry-free fun. Use it for parties, as a classroom reward, or as a sensory toy for stress relief. It's a versatile and fun addition to any event. What we like. If you love a mesmerizing, marbled look, this Galaxy Slime is out of this world. This bulk pack of 15 is perfect for parties, goodie bags, or as a classroom reward. If you need a high-quality, non-toxic, and non-sticky option for stress relief or sensory play, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out quickly, making it great for extended play sessions. The texture is smooth and satisfying, and it holds its shape well without being sticky. It comes in vibrant, appealing colors that kids love, and it's easy to clean up from surfaces. Number 1. Bedwina Mini Glitter Putty, Bulk Pack of 48. Introducing our bulk pack of 48 mini glitter putties. Each comes in its own container, perfect for little hands. Get ready for hours of sparkling, non-scented fun with assorted neon rainbow colors. Everyone loves playing with this adorable mini glitter putty. Its non-sticky consistency is perfect for squishing, stretching, and endless imaginative play. You'll love how it feels in your hands. Looking for the ideal party favor? This high-quality mini glitter putty is a fantastic addition to any goodie bag. It's perfect for birthdays, carnivals, and so much more. This mini glitter putty is ready to play right out of the container, making it a great travel companion. Keep it handy for a fun fidget or sensory experience anywhere you go. It's not just fun, it's also great for anxiety and stress relief. Use it as a fidget toy or sensory tool to help you stay focused and calm. Plus, it won't stick to furniture. When you choose Bedwina, your satisfaction is our priority. We ensure you'll be completely happy with your purchase of our top-quality party supplies. What we like. If you need a large quantity of small, fun slime for party favors or prizes, this mini glitter putty is perfect. The adorable mini containers are travel-friendly and great for little hands. If you're looking for an affordable way to provide hours of sparkling fun and a great fidget toy, this bulk pack is an excellent value. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out quickly. The colors are vibrant and it's not sticky at all, which is great for little hands. It comes with cute little charms to mix in, making it extra fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.